Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a trending track in YouTube Shorts music library and confirming clearance. This avoids takedowns. Once selected, listen for the strongest 3 10-second hook that aligns with your visual action and mark timestamps. Then, plan your shot to hit the beat. This is why timing matters. Synchronized visuals boost retention and algorithmic signals. While you shoot, record a few extra frames before and after the beat so you can tighten edits without losing the groove. Now you edit, import the chosen segment and align cuts to the musical accents. Snappy trims on beat make the clip feel polished. Once done, use quick zooms or jump cuts at each hook to emphasize movement. This increases watch time and replays. Also, make sure captions are readable within 9 seconds and include 1-3 relevant hashtags. They help discovery. Finally, export in vertical format with proper bitrate so the audio stays crisp and the short loops cleanly. On upload, choose the identical track from YouTube's in-app library and set the same timestamp so platform data matches your edit. This prevents mismatches and muting. Then write a concise title, add 1 strong hashtag, and reply to early comments to boost engagement. If the video gets muted or flagged, act fast. Replace the audio with a cleared track from the library, double-check timestamps, and reupload. This resolves most issues. If problems persist, check copyright notice and appeal with evidence of
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.